on the education methodology syllabus from units I8 MCQs for each units in both English and Tamil. PGTRB Educational Psychology MCQs. ### Unit I, MCQs. *1. What is the primary objective of pre-primary education? A. Promote adult education. B. Foster higher education. C. Holistic development of children. D. Impart technical skills. Answer. C. Holistic development of children. *** Tamilil. *1. Manpalli Kalviyin Mutan Mayana Kurikol Enna. A. Periyavarkal Kalviyai Ukkuvittal. B. Uyar Kalviyai Mempatuttal. C. Kulantikalan Mulumayana Valachiyai Uruti Settal. D. Tolilnatpa Tirankalai Karpital. *** Patil. C. Kulantikalan Mulumayana Valachi. *2. Which program is designed for workers in industries? A. Non-formal education. B. Vocational skill training. C. Functional literacy program. D. Programs for dropouts. Answer. C. Functional literacy program. Tamilil. *2. Tolakalaikkalil Panipuripavarkalukkana Titam Etu. A. Opakara Kalvi. B. Tolir Tiran Pelki. C. Seyal Tiran Kalvi Titam. D. Palliyai Vittu Vittavarkalukkana Titam. Patil. C. Seyal Tiran Kalvi Titam. *3. Which type of school provides education without regular classroom attendance? A. Government school. B. Open school. C. Aided school. D. Private school. Answer. B. Open school. Tamilil. *3. Tavirka Mutiata Vakuppara Kalviyai Valankumpalli Etu. A. Arakupalli. B. Tirantapalli. C. Utaviperampalli. D. Taniyapalli. Patil. B. Tirantapalli. *4. What is the purpose of vocational skill-oriented education? A. Promote academic knowledge. B. Improve sports skills. C. Impart job-specific skills. D. Train teachers. Answer. C. Impart job-specific skills. Tamilil. *4. Tolarka Tyran Atipatailana Kalviyin Nokam Enna. A. Kalvi Erivai Mempatuttutal. B. Vilayattu Tirankalai Mempatuttutal. C. Velai Kanta Tirankalai Karpital. D. Asiriyarkalai Perutal. Patil. C. Velai Kanta Tirankal. *5. Which issue is addressed by education in tribal areas? A. Employment creation. B. Illiteracy and poverty. C. Skill enhancement. D. Economic growth. Answer. B. Illiteracy and poverty. Tamilil. *5. Palankuti Pakuti Kalil Kalvi Etai Etirkol Kiratu. A. Velai Vaipu Uruvakkam. B. Kalviyarivu Kuraipatu Maram Varumai. C. Tirankal Mempatu. D. Puruletara Valachi. Patil. B. Kalviyarivu Kuraipatu Maram Varumai. Blank. Unit 2. Here are 5 difficult level multiple choice questions, MCQs, with answers based on ** Unit 2, Education Methodology, 2018-2019 syllabus, for the ** Postgraduate Assistants, Physical Education Directors Grade 1 exam. ****1. Which of the following is a key objective of environmental education? A. Promoting literacy in rural areas. B. Fostering technological innovation. C. Creating awareness about environmental protection. D. Enhancing vocational skills. Answer. C. Creating awareness about environmental protection. Tamilil. Curriculal Kalviyin Mukkiya Kurikol Enna. A. Kiramappurankalil Kalviyarivai Mempatuttutal ***. B. Tolilnatpa Putumayai Ukkuvittal ***. C. Curricular Patukappokurettu Vilipunarvu Irpatuttutal ****. D. Tolilmurai Tirankalai Mempatuttutal ****. Patil, C. Curricular Patukappokurettu Vilipunarvu Irpatuttutal ****. 2. What is the primary role of the headmaster in a school according to educational administration? A. Curriculum developer. B. Financial auditor. C. Administrator and academic supervisor. D. District education officer. Answer. C. Administrator and academic supervisor. Tamilil. கல்வி நிறுவனத்தில் ஒரு பாலத்திலாய்மாய சிறியாரின் முக்கிய பங்கு என்ன? A. பட்டத்திட்ட உருவாக்குபவர் B. நைட்டி கணக்கில். C. நிர்வாகியம் கல்வி மப்பாவையாளரம் D. மாவட்ட கல்வி அலுவலர் பாட்டில். C. நிர்வாகியம் கல்வி மப்பாவையாளரம் ****3. Which program aims at addressing the educational needs of gifted children? A. MLL. B. Population education. C. Education for gifted. D. Diet. Answer. C. Education for gifted. Gifted. Tamilil. மிகுண்டா திறமைகள் கொண்ட மாணவர்களுக்கான கல்வி வாய்ப்புகளை பூர்த்தி செய்யும் திட்டம் எது? A. குறைந்தபட்ச கற்றல் நிலை MLL. B. மக்கள் தொகை கல்வி. C. திறமைமிக்க மாணவர்களுக்கு கல்வி. D. மாவட்ட கல்வி மற்றும் பயிற்சி நிறுவனம் Diet. பாட்டில். C. திறமைமிக்க மாணவர்களுக்கு கல்வி. ***4. Which medium is crucial for international communication in the education system? A. Mother tongue. B. Bilingual instruction. C. English. D. Sign language. Answer. C. English. Tamilil. காவேட் காட்டக்காவல் பாரமாரத்துக்கன முக்கிய யூட்டிகம் கல்வியில் எட்டு? A. Tamili ***. B. Erumalik Kalvi. C. Ankilam ***. D. Kai Akam Moli. Patil. C. Ankilam ***. 5. Population education primarily aims at A. Promoting birth control methods only. B. Spreading awareness about population issues and responsible behavior. C. Increasing the number of skilled workers. D. Encouraging large families. Answer. B. Spreading awareness about population issues and responsible behavior. Tamilil. மக்கள் தொகை கல்வியின் முதன்மை நோக்கம் என்ன? A. பிறப்பா இருட்டி முறைகளாய் மாற்றம் ஊக்குவித்தல் B. மக்கள் தொகை பிரச்சினைகள் மற்றும் பொறுப்புள்ள நாட்டத்தை குறித்து விழிப்புணர்வு ஏற்படுத்துதல் C. திறமையான தொழிலாளர்களின் எண்ணிக்கையை அதிகரித்தல் D. பிரிய குடும்பங்களை ஊக்குவித்தல் பாட்டில். B. மக்கள் தொகை பிரச்சினைகள் மற்றும் பொறுப்புள்ள நாட்டத்தை குறித்து விழிப்புணர்வு ஏற்படுத்துதல் blank _ UNIT 3. Here are 5 difficult MCQs based on Unit 3, History and Culture of Tamil Nadu. English MCQs. Which ancient Tamil text extensively details the maritime trade routes and the goods exchanged between Tamil Nadu and Roman Empire? A. Silappatikaram. B. Manamegalai. C. Purananuru. D. Pattinappalai. Answer. D. Pattinappalai. The concept of Emperungappiyam, 5 great epics, in Tamil literature evolved significantly during which historical period? A. Sangam period. B. Pallava period. C. Chola period. D. Later Chola period, 13th-14th century CE. Answer. D. Later Chola period, 13th–14th century CE. Asterisk. Which of the following traditional Tamil art forms primarily uses shadow puppetry to narrate mythological and historical tales? A. Thirukuthu. B. Bammalattam. C. Karakattam. D. Oyilattam. Answer. B. Bammalattam. Asterisk. The famous rock-cut architecture of Mahabalipuram, showcasing Dravidian style, was predominantly patronized by which dynasty? A. Cholas. B. Pandyas. C. Pallavas. D. Chairas. Answer. C. Pallavas. Asterisk. Which natural resource played a pivotal role in the early trade and economy of the ancient Tamil kingdoms, leading to significant wealth accumulation? A. Iron ore. B. Gold. C. Spices, especially black pepper. D. Diamonds. Answer. C. Spices, especially black pepper. Tamil MCQ Cal. பழங்கல தமிழ் இலக்கியத்தில் தமிழகத்திற்கும் ரோமனியா பேரராட்சிக்கும் இடையிலான கட்டால்வாலி வார்த்தைக்காக பட்டாய்க்குலாயம் பரிமாறப்பட்ட பொருட்களாயம் விவரிக்கும் நல் எட்டு. A. சிலப்பதிகாரம். B. மணிமேகலை. C. புறநானூறு. D. பட்டினப்பாலை. பாட்டில். D. பட்டினப்பாலை. தமிழ் இலக்கியத்தில் ஏம்பற்கப்பியம் அன்ற கருத்து என்ற வரலாறு களத்தில் குறிப்பிடத்தக்க அலாவல் உருவனாட்டு. A. Kanka Kalam. B. Pallavar Kalam. C. Kala Kalam. D. Perkalak Kala Kalam Ki. Pi 13–14 Narantu. Patil. D. Perkalak Kala Kalam Ki. Pi 13–14 Narantu. Kilkanta enter Parampariya Tamil Kalai Vativam Mukkiyamaka Nilal Pomalatetti Payanpatutti Purana Maram Varalaru Kataikalai Vivarikiratu. A. Terukuttu. B. Pomalatam. C. Karakattam. D. Oyilattam. Patil. B. Pomalatam. Tiravita Panayak Kunta Mamalla Purattiin Pirapalamana Kutavarai Katti Tikkalai, enter Vamkatal Peritam Atarakkappattatu. A. Kalarkal. B. Pantiyarkal. C. Pallavarkal. D. Serarkal. Patil. C. Pallavarkal. பழங்கல தமிழ் இராச்சியன்களின் அரம்பகால வார்த்திகம் மரம் பொருளேற்றத்தில் முக்கிய பங்கரை குறிப்பிடத்தக்க செல்வக் குவிப்புக்கு விளைவாக்குட்ட இயற்கை வளம் எட்டு. A. ஐரம்பு டாட்டு. B. டேங்கம். C. மக்களாக் பொருட்கள் குறிப்பாக கருப்பு மிளகு. D. வாரன்கள். பாட்டில். C. மக்களாக் பொருட்கள் குறிப்பாக கருப்பு மிளகு. Blank. UNIT 4. Here are 5 difficult MCQs from Unit IV, Education Methodology, with answers in Tamil and English. English MCQs. Asterisk. Which of the following cognitive concepts is most closely associated with the concept formation stages described in Piaget's theory within the context of education? A. Assimilation. B. Accommodation. C. Equilibration. D. Object permanence. Answer. B. Accommodation. Delinking employment from degrees primarily addresses which of the following educational challenges according to the provided text? A. Promoting vocational skills. B. Enhancing literacy rates. C. Reducing brain drain. D. Universalizing primary education. Answer. A. Promoting vocational skills. Asterisk. The concept of psycholinguistics within the framework of educational implications for the teacher predominantly focuses on A. The neurological basis of learning. B. The interplay between language and thought. C. The social context of communication. D. The emotional aspects of language acquisition. Answer. B. The interplay between language and thought. Asterisk. If a teacher is attempting to foster span of attention in students, which of the following strategies would be least effective based on the general principles of the Unit IV content? A. Varying instructional methods frequently. B. Incorporating interactive activities. C. Providing lengthy, monotonous lectures. D. Using visual aids and multimedia. Answer. C. Providing lengthy, monotonous lectures. Asterisk. The development of mental abilities in a learner is a broad concept. Which of the following is an example of an errors, concept formation, aspect that directly impacts this development? A. Misinterpreting a mathematical formula due to prior misconceptions. B. Forgetting factual information during an exam. C. Lack of motivation to participate in group activities. D. Difficulty in memorizing vocabulary. Answer. A. Misinterpreting a mathematical formula due to prior misconceptions. Tamil MCQs. Kalvakkulalil Piajeviin Kotpattinpati, Karuttu Uruvakam, Nilaiku Mika Nerukkamaka Totarputtia Arivarral Karuttu Pinvaruvanavarrul Etu. A. Ullirpu, assimilation. A. Inikam, accommodation. I. Kamanilaippatuttutal, equilibration. I. Paul Nilitinmai, object permanence. Vitai. A. Inikam, accommodation. Vilai Vaipai Pattappatipukkaliliruntu Tuntital, Enpatu, Valankappata Patattinpati, Pinvaram Kalvi Kavalkalil Atate Mutanmayakak Kurikiratu. A. Tolirkalvi Tirankalai Mempatuttutal. A. Elitrivu Vikitankalai Mempatuttutal. I. Arivuka Pulappayachai Kurittal. I. Arampak Kalviai Ulakamayamakkuttal. Vitai. A. Tolirkalvi Tirankalai Mempatuttutal. Asiryarukkana Kalvi Takkankalan Kattamai Pirkul, Ulavial Moli, Anra Karuttu Mukkiyamaka Etal Kavanam Selatukiratu. A. Karralin Narampial Atipatai. A. Molikam Sintanaikam Itailana Totirpu. I. Takaval Totapan Kamuka Kalal. I. Moli Kayakappatuttalan Anachi Amkankal. Vitai. A. Molikam Sintanaikam Itailana Totirpu. Oru Asiriyar Manavarkalitai, Kavanatin Alavu, Atikarika Muyachikirar Anral, Alako Ivi Ullatekkatin Putuvana Kolkaikalan Atipatil Pinvaram Uttikalil Etu Kuraivaka Penalataka Irukkum. A. Karpital Muraikalai Atikkati Marutal. A. Utatum Sayalpatukalai Enatal. I. Ninta, Kalipana Virivuraikalai Valankutal. I. Kachiites Maram Maltamitiavik Payanpatuttutal. Vitai. I. Ninta, Kalipana Virivuraikalai Valankutal. Karravaritam, Mana Tirankalan Valachi, Enpatu Oru Paranta Karuttu. Inter Valachiil Neratiaka Takkam Selitam, Pilaikal Karuttu Oruvakkam, Amkatirku Pinvaruvanavarrul Etu Oru Etatukkattu. A. Muntiya Tavarana Enankalal Oru Kanita Katiretta Itavara Purintu Kolvatu. A. Turvan Potu and Makalai Marantu Vituvatu. I. Kulu Natavatikai Kalilpan Kerka Antutal Ilamai. I. Kokalansiatai Manappatam Sivatal Siramam. Vitai. A. Muntiya Tavarana Enankalal Oru Kanita Katiretta Itavara Purintu Kolvatu. Blank. ____. UNIT 5. Here are 5 MCQs for Unit V, with answers, in both English and Tamil. Unit V. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. English questions. Asterisk special characteristics of adolescents and their problems typically include all of the following except A. Group behavior. B. Discipline. C. Lack of interest in learning. D. Individual differences in learning. Answer. C. Lack of interest in learning. Asterisk which of the following pairs is not correctly matched regarding learning theories? A. Trial and error, conditioning. B. Classical and operant, learning by insight. C. Learning by insight, tagging. D. Imitation, levels of learning. Answer. B. Classical and operant, learning by insight. Asterisk the concept of nature and importance of learning primarily deals with A. The biological basis of learning. B. The process and significance of acquiring knowledge and skills. C. The social context of learning. D. The emotional impact of learning. Answer. B. The process and significance of acquiring knowledge and skills. Asterisk according to the principles of levels of learning, which of the following represents the lowest level of cognitive processing? A. Remembering. B. Forgetting. C. Understanding. D. Applying. Answer. B. Forgetting. Individual differences in learning implies that A. All students learn at the same pace. B. Learning styles are uniform across individuals. C. Students have unique ways of acquiring and processing information. D. Transfer of learning is always consistent. Answer. C. Students have unique ways of acquiring and processing information. Tamil questions. Paruva vayatu sirarkalan sa pappan pukal maram pirikanikalil putuvaka pinvaruvinavarull etu atankatu. A. Kulu natattai. A. Olukam. I. Karralil ervaminmai. I. Karralil tanipatta verupatukal. Vitai. I. Karralil ervaminmai. Karral kotpatukal totarpaka pinvaram anekalil etu karyaka poruttuppatavilai. A. Muyachi maram pilai kattupatu. A. Kilikikal maram seyalpatam nanarivu mulam karral. I. Nanarivu mulam karral tekken. I. Imitation karralin nilaikal. Vitai. A. Kilikikal maram seyalpatam nanarivu mulam karral. Karralin tan me maram mukkiyattuvam, anra karuttu mutin mayaka atek kayalkiratu. A. Karralin uyiriyal atipatai. A. Arivayam tirankalayam peruvatakana seyalmurai maram mukkiyattuvam. I. Karralin kamuka kalal. I. Karralin anachi purvamana takkam. Vitai. A. Arivayam tirankalayam peruvatakana seyalmurai maram mukkiyattuvam. Karralin nilaikal, kotpatukalin peti, pinvaruvinavarull etu arivarral seyalekkatin mika kurenta nilayayek kurikiratu. A. Ninaivu kurutal. A. Marattal. I. Purintukolutal. I. Payalpatuttutal. Vitai. A. Marattal. Karralil tanipatta verupatukal, enpatu atek kurikiratu. A. Anittu manavarkalam or vekattil karru kolkirarkal. A. Karralpanikal taninapurkalitaye or matiriyanavai. I. Manavarkal takavalkalip peruvatakam seyalekkuvatakam tanittuvamana valikalai kontilinar. I. Karral paramaram epotam niliyanatu. Vitai. I. Manavarkal takavalkalip peruvatakam seyalekkuvatakam tanittuvamana valikalai kontilinar. Blank. __. UNIT 6. Here are 5 MCQs from Unit V, with answers, in both English and Tamil. Unit V. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. English version. Asterisk question. According to Maslow's hierarchy, which of the following needs must be satisfied before an individual can pursue self-actualization? Asterisk A. Esteem needs. Asterisk B. Love and belonging needs. Asterisk C. Physiological needs. Asterisk D. Safety needs. Answer. C. Physiological needs. Asterisk question. Which of the following best describes the concept of IQ constancy? Asterisk A. IQ scores remain perfectly stable throughout a person's life. Asterisk B. IQ scores can fluctuate significantly depending on external factors. Asterisk C. IQ scores show relative stability over time, especially after childhood. Asterisk D. IQ is solely determined by environmental influences. Answer. C. IQ scores show relative stability over time, especially after childhood. Asterisk question. What is a common defense mechanism employed by individuals to cope with anxiety or stress? Asterisk A. Self-actualization. Asterisk B. Rationalization. Asterisk C. Introspection. Asterisk D. Mindfulness. Answer. B. Rationalization. Asterisk question. Creativity and intelligence are often considered. Asterisk A. Mutually exclusive concepts. Asterisk B. Entirely independent of each other. Asterisk C. Related but distinct abilities. Asterisk D. Exactly the same construct. Answer. C. Related but distinct abilities. Asterisk question. The primary purpose of guidance and counseling in an educational setting is to Asterisk A. Administer disciplinary actions. Asterisk B. Provide academic and personal support to students. Asterisk C. Strictly enforce school rules. Asterisk D. Conduct psychological experiments. Answer. B. Provide academic and personal support to students. Tamil version. Alaku V. Paltavu Kelvikal MCQs. Kelvi, Maslavan Patinilai Kotpatin Pati, Orutani Napar Kuya Anartalai, Self-actualization, Totar Vataku Mun Pinvaram Antettivai Perti Sayapata Ventum. Multiputti Vakal, Esteem needs. Anpu Maram Contetti Vakal, love and belonging needs. Utiliality Vakal, physiological needs. Patukaputti Vakal, safety needs. Patil. Utiliality Vakal. Kelvi. IQ Marily, IQ constancy, Anra Karutai Mikak Siripaka Viviripatu etu. Oru Naparan Vulnal Muluvatam IQ Matipenkal Karyaka Nilayaka Irukum. Velipura Karanikalip Porutu IQ Matipenkal Kanikamaka Maralam. IQ Matipenkal Kalipokil, Kuripaka Kulantai Paruvatir Kuppiraku, Oru Opitu Nilittan Mayayekattu Kinrana. IQ Karakulalal Matume Tirmanikkappatu Kiratu. Patil. IQ Matipenkal Kalipokil, Kuripaka Kulantai Paruvatir Kuppiraku, Oru Opitu Nilittan Mayayekattu Kinrana. Kelvi. Patattam alatu mana alatattai kamalika taninapar kalal putuvaka payan patutappatam oru, patukappu porimurai, defense mechanism, etu. Akuya anatal, self-actualization. Pakutarital, rationalization. Ulnoku, introspection. Mananiraivu, mindfulness. Patil. Appakutarital. Kelvi. Pataiparal maram nanarivu. Creativity and intelligence, Perampalam Everu Karutappatukinrana. Onru Koru Piritekamana Karutukkal. Onru Koru Muralam Kutan Tiramanavai. Totarputia Anal Verupetta Tirinkal. Karyaka or Materiana Uruvakkam. Patil. Totarputia Anal Verupetta Tirinkal. Kelvi, Kalvi Amaipal, Valaika Tutal Maram Alokanai, Guidance and Counseling, in Mutanmai Nokam Enna. Olinkumurai Natavati Kaikalai Nirvakital. Manavarkalukku Kalvi Maram Tenipitta Ataravai Valankutal. Palli Vitikalai Kantipaka Amalpatuttutal. Olavial Kotanaikalai Natatutal. Patil. Manavarkalukku Kalvi Maram Tenipitta Ataravai Valankutal. Blank. ____. UNIT 7. Unit 7. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. English. Which of the following educators is not mentioned in Unit 7 is associated with basic education? A. Tagore. B. Shantiniketan. C. Gandhiji. D. Froebel. 1. Tamil. Unit 7L. Atipatai Kalvi, Utan Totar Putayavarakat Kuripatappatata Kalviyalar Pinvarupavarkalil Yar. A. Thakur. A. Cantoniketan. I. Kantiji. I. Hapropal. Answer, English, D. Froebel. Answer, Tamil, I. Hapropal. 2. English. The concept of kindergarten is associated with which educator mentioned in Unit 7? A. Bertrand Russell. B. Froebel. C. Montessori. D. J. Krishnamurthy. 2. Tamil. Unit 7 L. Kuripatappattulla Antekkalviyalarutan, Malalayapalli, Kindergarten, Anrakaruttu Totarputayattu. A. Bertrand Russell. A. Hapropal. I. Montessori. I. J. Krishnamurthy. Answer, English, B. Froebel. Answer, Tamil, A. Hapropal. 3. English. According to Unit 7, freedom in learning situation is primarily influenced by the ideas of A. J. Krishnamurthy. B. Bertrand Russell. C. Gandhiji. D. Tagore. 3. Tamil. Unit 7 in Patti, Karrar Kalnilal Kutantiram, Mutan Mayaka Yarutia Karuttukkalal Patikkappatukirattu. A. J. Krishnamurthy. A. Bertrand Russell. I. Kantiji. I. Thakur. Answer, English, A. J. Krishnamurthy. Answer, Tamil, A. J. Krishnamurthy. 4. English. Which of the following is not listed as a factor influencing psychological principles underlying self-learning devices in Unit 7? A. Experiments and discovery learning. B. Child-centered learning. C. Conformity to common educational goals. D. Effects of cultural, religious and social factors. 4. Tamil. Unit 7 ஈல் குயமகக் கற்கும் கேட்டனன்களுக்கு அட்டிப்பட்டாயக்கா இருக்கும் உளவியால் கோல்காய்களாய் பட்டிக்கும் கரணிக்காலில் பின்வருவனவரால் எட்டுப்பட்டியாலிட்டப்பட்டவிலாய். ஏ கோட்டனாய்கள் மேரம் கண்டுபிட்டிப்பு கர்றல். ஏ குலண்டாய் மயக்கர்றல். ஆய் பொட்டுவனா கல்வி இலக்குகாலுக்கு இனன்குட்டல். ஆய் கலாக்கர மாதா மேரம் கேமுகா கரணிக்காலின் விளிவுகள். Answer English C. Conformity to common educational goals. Answer Tamil I. Putuvana kalvi ilakkukalukku inankutal. 5. English. Ashram schools are associated with which individual or concept mentioned in Unit 7? A. Rousseau. B. Sri Aurobindo. C. A. S. Neil. D. Dewey. 5. Tamil. Asarama Palikal. Ashram schools, Unit 7 ஈல் குறிப்பிடப்பட்டுள்ள என்டர்டானினப்பர் அல்லது கருத்துடன் தொடர்புடையது. A. Rousseau. A. Sri Aurobindo. I. A. S. Neil. I. TV. Answer English B. Sri Aurobindo. Answer Tamil A. Sri Aurobindo. Blank _ UNIT 8. Here are 5 multiple choice questions from Unit 8. With answers in both English and Tamil, without explanation. Unit 8 MCQs. 1. English. The National Education Policy, 1986, is also known as A. DPEP. B. MLL. C. NPE. D. Diet. Tamil. Techia Kalvik Kolkai, 1986, Ivaru Alaikappatukiratu. A. TPEP. A. MLL. I-N, Pi, I, tight. Answer C. NPE, I-N, Pi, I. 2. English. Which of the following is a key aspect of joyful learning? A. Rote memorization. B. Individual freedom. C. Strict discipline. D. Teacher-centered instruction. Tamil. Makilchiyana Karral, Enpatan Mukya Amkam Pinvaruvanavarull Etu. A. Manappatam settle. A. Tenipatta Kutantiram. I. Katumiyana Olukkam. I. Asiriyar Mayakkarpital. Answer B. Individual freedom. A. Tenipatta Kutantiram. 3. English. Mobile schools are primarily designed for A. Elite students. B. Urban areas. C. The schooling and non-classroom learning. D. Higher education. Tamil. Natamatam Palikal Mutan Mayaka Etarkaka Vetavamaikapatullana. A. Uyar Vakuppu Manavarkalukku. A. Nakarpurankalukku. I. Pallira Maram Vakuppurai Alata Karral. I. Uyar Kalvi. Answer C. The schooling and non-classroom learning. I. Pallira Maram Vakuppurai Alata Karral. 4. English. Sainik school is a type of institution focused on A. Art education. B. Defense education. C. Vocational training. D. Special education. Tamil. Kenakpalli Enpatu enter Vikyana Niruvanattil Kavanam Selatukiratu. A. Kalai Kalvi. A. Patukappu Kalvi. I. Tolir Kalvi. I. Sirippu Kalvi. Answer B. Defense education. A. Patukappu Kalvi. 5. English. What role do TV educational programs primarily play in mass media for instructional purposes? A. Limited viewership. B. Complementary to classroom teaching. C. Replacement for teachers. D. Only for adult learners. Tamil. Karpital Nokankalukkaka Vekujana Utikankalil Tolaikachi Kalvi Nikalchikal Mutan Mayaka Enapinkai Viki Kinrana. A. Kurenta Parvialarkal. A. Vakupparai Karpitalukku Tunai. I. Asiriyarkalukkapatilaka. I. Vayatu Vantorukkanatu Matam. Answer B. Complementary to classroom teaching. A. Vakupparai Karpitalukku Tunai.